Today I'll be showing you all this amazing foot peel mask I used to remove the dead skin on my feet. My feet went from dry and crusty to soft and smooth. Literally, the dead skin fell off my feet and this foot mask worked so freaking good. I will share with you all what I used to maintain my soft, moisturized feet. So make sure you guys continue on and watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. Let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, it's early in the morning. I'm getting my coffee ready. Your girl had to have her coffee, okay? So I'm getting everything ready for my foot soak. I love to put lemon in my foot soak. I'm getting my water ready, making sure it's nice and warm. I'm using this foot tub right here. I will be linking everything in the description box down below. I got my candle, my peppermint oil I will be using, as well as Heal Genius. This is from Soap and Glory. I absolutely love this stuff. I'll be using it later on in the video. And the star of the show is the exfoliating foot peel mask. And I'm lighting the candle. I'm setting the mood. Literally, it was such a vibe. I absolutely love doing this. I love just catering to myself and doing that self-care and making sure my foot looks nice. So I just showed you guys real quick that little black spot. I literally kicked a rock. Don't ask me how or why. I kicked a rock, okay? This is how my foot looks before. It's not horrible. It is very, very dry and crusty. So that's why I'm doing this for my feet, because literally I needed the help oh so bad. So I was showing you guys really quick, my left heel is a lot worse than my right one, but it's all good because this foot mask is going to help with that. So now that you guys already seen how my feet looked before, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I have my best loved item, okay, my foot tub right here. This is from Conair. I will link it in the description box down below. I love this. It gives me that salon experience that I'm looking for, but just right in my home. So I love it. I'm using a bath bomb to put in the foot tub. I just used one, by the way. I got it for Christmas. I don't take baths, so I decided to put it in my tub right here. So I'll be going in. I'm going to be using some peppermint oil. Just putting that into the foot tub. I love peppermint oil. Literally, I'm almost like out, so I had to like shake really, really hard. But yes, peppermint oil. I am adding lemon as well. It was such a vibe with the candle. Had the peppermint oil. I had the lemon and the bath bomb. Honestly, the room smelled fantastic. So I'm using that little blue part right there on top of it right there. I'm just massaging my feet, and yo, it was just so relaxing and I really enjoyed myself. Like, looking back on it, I love this video. So my son, he went to get in on the action. So I'm just putting his feet in the water, massaging his little feet real quick. I'm trying to get my feet soft like his, you guys, okay? So now I'm using my petty brush. I will just be brushing my feet, removing any dirt or anything that got on my feet. My feet was already previously clean. I took a shower before this video, so make sure your feet is clean. But I'm just brushing it, just enjoying myself. I am focusing on my heel because that's my problem area, as well as under my big toe. But if you guys want to see my whole like pedicure video, it's literally an amazing video. I will link in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out that video after this video. Yo, such a vibe, okay? And I am using lemon on my feet. Lemon removes dead skin and it's also a natural exfoliant, so I love to just rub lemon, especially on my problem areas. That's a tip for you guys, all right? So I let my feet soak for like 20 to 30 minutes, and I went ahead and I just dried my feet off. My son honestly enjoyed this video as well. And now we're moving on to the exfoliating foot mask. I got this off of Amazon. I will link it down below. It came into a 2-pack, so you'll get like 2 packs, 2 uses for like 1 price. So literally absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tear that apart. You guys can do it the easy route, not this part, but at the top you can cut it, or you could be difficult like me and like try to like pry it open. But it was all good. So the inside is lined with some goodies for your feet to make your feet peel. So I went ahead and I put that on my foot. Made sure it was secured and it didn't go anywhere. Ta-da! Now your girl have both foot peel masks on her feet. I kept this on for 90 minutes. The instruction says 60 to 90 minutes. Of course, I let it go all the way to the max because, I need my feet to be soft, and that's on period. Okay, I put some socks on because the instructions advise you to put socks on while you're walking around the house because it can be a little slippery and very odd, but the socks helped. So now I took the foot peel off, the foot peel mask off. It was 90 minutes later. My feet feels actually pretty good, and the smell of the foot peel mask is absolutely amazing. So I'm rinsing it off with clean water, and now my feet is dry. My feet didn't feel like honestly any different whatsoever, and I thought like, okay, I didn't know like if that's how it's supposed to be, but my feet is still dry, it's still crusty, like it felt like nothing ever happened. But this is just the beginning, okay? Because this thing right here will surprise you. Very surprising, okay? Do not underestimate this foot peel mask. A few days went by and I thought nothing happened until dun dun dun. I've never been so happy to have crusty feet before. I've never been so happy to have the feet flaking. All right, you guys see that? Flakes. Yes, this foot peel mask was working. And when I tell you, for the first 3-4 days, nothing happened. This is the 3rd or 4th day, and I was like, OMG. All of the skin at the bottom already came off because you're walking around doing all that good stuff. But yes, my skin was so like dehydrated, so dry. I thought my feet was dry before. My feet was dry now. That layer of top skin is like literally coming off. You guys can see even in between my toes, dead skin was just coming off everywhere between my toes. As you guys can see on top of my foot right there is so dry. It's cracked around my toenails, all that. I was like, it was just so surprising. Again, I didn't say this, but make sure you guys wear socks, okay? If you do not wear socks around the house or in your bed, all that stuff right there will be literally in your bed. So, I guess this is like day 4 or 5. Okay, it was literally just coming up. So I was just like honestly enjoying myself, and this is so satisfying. I don't know if this is weird or not, but it was very, very satisfying for me. I was just like taking my time, like peeling it off for literally like 2 hours. I was just sitting here like just peeling on my feet. Sounds weird, but it was pretty cool though, okay? Pretty cool. I felt like Goldmember, you guys seen that movie Goldmember where he's like peeling or whatever, like I know how a snake feels. That's what I'm trying to say. I know how it feels to just be walking around and skin just dropping off everywhere, all right? Pretty cool, kind of gross to other people, but I knew what I was doing, and seeing this showed me how like the foot peel was literally working. So this is honestly the hard part. I was just like picking it off, trying to pick it off with my fingers. I did not follow the instructions. Don't be like me. Follow the instructions. The instruction says to let your feet soak every single day. Did not do that. I thought I could just like pick it off and just like take my time. But this made the process a lot longer. So make sure you guys soak your feet every single day. Wear socks. okay, to collect all that dusty stuff, all the dry skin. Make sure it collects in your socks and it's not all over your house or in your bed. So I finally decided to, you know what? Hey, follow the instructions. Soak your feet. So as you guys can see, the dead skin is more soft now. It's starting to be able to, like, I'm able to use my fingers and just like roll all the dead skin off of my feet with my fingers. This is honestly like my favorite clip, one of my favorite clips right here, because you guys can see like I'm just lightly rubbing my hand on my heel right there and all that dead skin is just coming off. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure you guys like this video, boo. Make sure you like the video. Comment down below. You can comment whatever. Comment a heart. Comment something, okay? Your girl needs to be pushed out by YouTube and the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you guys comment down below, share this video, and like. And yo, you guys gonna see right now, I'm just rubbing my hands lightly on my feet. Once I dip my feet back into the water, it's gonna come out like so clean, smooth. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm trying to tell you, if you have crusty feet or you're trying to get your feet back into like a nice type of feel, make sure you guys try this foot mask. So I'm taking that petty brush again and I'm just brushing it along my heels to speed up the process, because this is probably like day 7, 8, I don't know. I didn't follow the instructions, so I made it a little bit harder on myself because I didn't soak my feet every single day like I was supposed to. Don't be me, you guys. Don't be me. So I'm just trying to lift the dead skin off of my feet. And honestly, it was working better with my hands than with the petty brush, okay? But you guys can always do both, or you guys can just roll the dead skin off with your hands. And you guys can see, voila, yo, my heel is so smooth. That's my problem heel too. And all that dead skin is all in that foot tub right there. I love this foot tub, okay? So yes, you need one of these, or you can use like a bucket or like a little container to do this with your feet, but you need like something to put your feet in. So this is the last day, okay? I've been soaking my feet every single day now, and 99% of the dead skin is off. I'm giving myself that little foot massage right there. You guys, you need this product right here. Heel Genius by Soap and Glory. I got it from Target actually, but I will try to see if I can link it down below. It's blue. It looks like toothpaste. Oh my gosh, you guys, the smell smells so freaking good, okay? So great consistency. It's not oily. It doesn't make your feet slippery or anything like that. It soaks into your feet really quick, y'all. When I tell you, before I tried this about 3 months ago is when I started to like actually try to like get my feet soft, because my feet was crusty. When I say crusty, if I rubbed my feet together, it would start a fire. Like that's how crusty it was, okay? But now my feet is like so smooth, so good. This is like 3 months in with me trying to like take care of my feet, yo. When I say yes, Soap and Glory, I'm so happy. They literally have transformed my feet for me. So I put socks on, I went to sleep overnight, followed that instruction, and now my feet, voila, my feet are so smooth. My feet feel so much better, you guys. Like, you don't even know. Make sure you guys like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. But yes, no more. You know how Mr. Brown knees be crusty? That's how my feet was, okay? That's how my feet was. So no more of that like crustiness on my feet. Like, that's not cute, baby. But yeah, like, that is it. See, I can rub my feet together and I didn't even start a fire. Like, I didn't even start a fire like for the first time. Okay, so yes, I can't wait to try this again. I have another pack and I'll be using this next month. You can only use this once a month, so I will be definitely trying the second pack. Okay, but that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you again like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.